Resources will be available in the environment. It should meet our needs. A resource must have economic value. It should also be approved culturally. Resources are four types. 1. Biotic and abiotic. 2. Renewable and non-renewable. 3. Individual, community, national and international resources. 4. Potential, developed, stock and reserve resources. Biotic resources. These are obtained from the biosphere such as flora, fauna, fisheries, etc. Abiotic resources. These are obtained from non-living resources such as rocks and metals. On the basis of adjustability, we may divide the resources into renewable and non-renewable. Renewable resources are these resources are the ones that can replenish once they are exhausted. Example: solar energy, wind energy. Non-renewable resources. Once exhausted, these resources cannot replenish themselves again. If we consume them completely without planning, we can lose them forever. Example: fossil fuels. On the basis of ownership, we can divide the resources as individual, community, national, and international resources. Individual resources. These are owned privately by individuals. Example: plantations, pasture lands. Community resources. All the members of the community can access these resources. Example: grazing grounds, burial grounds. National resources. All the resources belong to the nation and the country has legal autonomy over them. Private property can be acquired by the government for the public good. International resources. The oceanic resources beyond 200 nautical miles of the exclusive economic zone belong to the open ocean. No individual country is allowed to utilize these without prior permission from international organizations. On the basis of the status of development, we can divide the resources as potential, developed, stock, and reserve resources. Potential resources. These resources that are found in a region but have not been utilized to their full potential are termed as potential resources. Example: Rajasthan and Gujarat have enormous potential for the development of wind and solar energy, but so far these resources have not been utilized properly. Developed resources. Resources whose quality and quantity have been determined for utilization are termed as developed resources. The extent to which these resources are utilized depends on technology and the level of their feasibility. Stock resources. These resources that are available in the nature to be used, but human beings don't have the right equipment and technology to utilize these resources. Example: Water can be broken down to extract hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen is a great source of energy, but we don't know how to carry out this process on a large scale. Reserve resources. Human civilization has proper technology to utilize these resources, but a further development of technology is required to exploit these resources to their fullest potential. Example: hydropower is being generated from water and hence only put out for a limited use.